Tasu sanumde, what is your name? What is your name? Zamanum Alina de, my name is Alina. My name is Alina. Tasu laplar sak wazifada, what is your father's job? What is your father's job? Zama plar yu khawun ke de, my father is a teacher. My father is a teacher. Da sadi, what is this? What is this? Da yu marker de, this is a marker. This is a marker. Nu tasu ko tu cuma pada jumlo ke the word kalima istemal kara. What tabakhtu ki why so? What definitions they ask about someone's name, job or thing. What puhtana kavi the sanum da para, the wazife da para or the sashi da para. For example, stasu the plar sanum de. What is your father's name? What is your father's name? Zamada planum Abdul Wahab de. My father name is Abdul Wahab. My father name is Abdul Wahab. Stasu nukari wazifa sada. What is your job? What is your job? Zoyo shagadayam. I am a student. I am a student. Haga sadi. What is that? What is that? Haga yuchokaida. That is a chair. That is a chair. Haga sugda. Who is she? Who is she? Haga zama malgarida. She is my friend. She is my friend. Tasu sugyay. Who are you? Who are you? Zayujineyam. I am a girl. I am a girl. Dasadi. What is this? What is this? Dayu kalamde. This is a pen. This is a pen. Stanu kari sada. What is your job? What is your job? Zayo shagardayam. I am a student. I am a student. Tasu charta usegai. Where do you live? Where do you live? Zab pape khabar ki usega. I live in Peshawar. I live in Peshawar. Manana the 10 और videos the para mung dar sare like और follow kai. Manana the 10 और videos the para mung dar sare like और follow kai. Manana